The problem on time and work. 10 men working together can do a certain job in 56 days. The first statement, can we say that total work is nothing but what 10 men working together complete in 56 days, or I can say the total work is 560 man days of work. The total work is 560 man days of work. Now look at what is the subsequent follow up that we have. If on the first day one man starts the work, on the second day 2 men join him, on the third day 3 men join, and so on, with exactly n men joining the work on nth day, find the number of days in which the work would be completed. Now instead of 10 men working together for 56 days and completing the work, the nature in which the work is completed is, on the first day you have 1 man, on the second day you have 1 plus 2, on the third day you have 1 plus 2 plus 3, and in this fashion every day you have certain number of people joining. On the nth day there will be n people who will join. That means on the nth day you will have how many people working? 1 plus 2 plus so on till n, and the work is expected to be completed. So all this should add up to what? The total work. What is the total work? 560. Now if I ask you what is the nth day value, it is nothing but summation of n. So it is indirectly nothing but summation of nth term is equal to what? 560. But what is nth term? Nth term is n into n plus 1 by 2. Nth term is nothing but summation of n. Nth term is summation of n. So it is summation of n into n plus 1 by 2, which is equal to what? 560. And what is summation of n into n plus 1 by 2? It is nothing but half times summation of n square plus summation of n, and that is equal to 560. So let us see what we get when I take half of this. Will it not be half times n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6 plus summation of n is nothing but n into n plus 1 by 2. So this is equal to 560. So let us erase this part and continue further. If I take n into n plus 1 by 6 common, I have half into n into n plus 1 by 6, and we are left with 2n plus 1, and here we are left with what? Nothing. That is nothing but 1, and that is equal to 560. Or we can always simplify and write n into n plus 1, 2n plus 2, so 2 can cancel off, so you will have 2n plus, oh, by 6 we have taken, so it should be 3. This should be, let's correct this. It is 2n plus 1 plus, because we have taken n into n plus 1 by 6 common, we had 2 here, so this should be giving me 3 plus 3 is equal to 560. So n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 4. So if I take 2 away, I have n plus 2, 2 cancels off, divided by 6 is equal to 560. We have 3 consecutive terms, n, n plus 1, n plus 2, that is equal to 6 into 560. 6 into 560. What is 560? 7, 8, 10. 7 8s are 56. 56 into 10. 10 can be written as 2 into 5. Now let us see if we can somehow write it as a product of what? 3 consecutive terms. I can see 7 into 2 is 14. this can be written as 3 into 2. I can replace 6 with what? 3 into 2. So, we have 14 and we have 3 into 5 is 15, 2 into 8 is 16. So, we have 3 consecutive terms 14, 15, 16. So, this should be 14, this should be 15 and this should be 16. The value of n is nothing but 14. Find the number of days in which the work can be completed. Your answer should be 14.